In 2019, my dad was diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome and lost complete motor function to his arms and legs within hours. For the next 4 days in the ICU, I was his caregiver. And as we began doing exercises, he kept saying, "I just want to push on something." So we improvised a way to push against the bed's footboard, but something was missing. Patients who are confined to bed face this situation daily. Their strength decreases at a rate of 5% per day in bed. In traditional in-bed exercises, they're just not that effective. To progress to full function, patients need something that will allow them to effectively exercise while they're still in bed. This is the MOVAO Mini. The Mini is an in-bed leg press that simulates the muscle recruitment pattern used during sit to stand. And with 6 levels of progression and up to 50 pounds of elastic loading, the MOVAO Mini can provide the resistance needed for true strengthening. With a pelvic bolster that stabilizes the base, the Mini can be used without a footboard, making it just as effective at home as in the hospital. At only 8 pounds, the Mini makes it easy for therapists to transport or for family members to store away. The Mini even has integrated gaming. Our laser detects linear movement and sends that serial data to the app via Bluetooth so that patients can play games while exercising. The app has training modules on eccentric contractions, isometric contractions, and games like Brick Breaker that add some excitement to exercising. And at a target price of $200, the MOVAO Mini was designed to be affordable and accessible. Currently, the Mini is patented and ready for mass production. We just need to raise the funds for the production molds. And you can help by visiting themovao.com for pre-sales of the MOVAO Mini to truly launch this product. By the way, my dad made a complete recovery from Guillain-Barré, but the MOVAO Mini is what he needed then. And now, I'm excited to put the Mini in the hands of families and therapists to help patients restore strength and regain mobility.